Hey guys, I'm recording the video. Please excuse yourself. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hey guys, it's me, the Hobbiist, and it sounds like you're coming up here, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. I'm back, y'all. Hey, just a little interruption from my children. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all. I cleaned my room up. And I gave myself a dedicated crochet corner. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the crochet corner. Here it is. Yeah, this is a little snippet. Maybe I'll show you some more in a moment. But, in the spirit of spring cleaning, that is a few months late, I want to show you guys all the crochet creations that I've made since I started taking crochet seriously and making wearables for myself and a few other folks. Okay? This is going to show you the 5 years of just transformation, growth, talent, excellence, style, charisma, uniqueness, and nerve I have. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. And I need to get rid of some of the stuff because some of it is ill-fitting just because, I didn't know anything and I was learning and, I didn't want to frog it and make something else. A lot of stuff I did frog, like from my early days. And if you don't know, if you're not in the crochet community, frog is when you just take it apart. Follow along as I show you some of my crochet fails from yesteryear. And yeah, I hope you're entertained. I hope my kids leave me alone, at least for the majority of the video, so that I can show you guys what I want to show you. So yeah, if you like creativity, funny bitches, and all that stuff, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that button. Hit the subscribe button. I've been on YouTube for 2 years. I'm ready to make that bag move. You feel me? And I need your help. So we're going to start with this skirt that I can't necessarily say is like a fail. I made this last year. This is the string for my shorts. Don't think I got a wee or nothing. But I made this last year, and I can't necessarily say it's a fail. I just never gave it a chance because it just didn't look right. It didn't look right to me, but now I'm looking at it. It's giving Ice Spice. She a baddie. She showing her panty. Boom, boom. She shake it like jelly. It's kind of giving that. I don't know. This might be cute as fuck. I might have did my big one. I'm not mad at this. Okay. She a baddie. She showing her panty. Boom, boom. Am I too old for this, though? On some real shit. Let me know in the comments. Because I don't want to be out here looking bold. But I feel like if I put this together the right way, it's very short. But it's cute. What top would I wear? Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Is it giving? Does it have potential to give? I know it's probably not giving right now, but with a Nike Dunk, it could give. A pair of Vans, would it give? I'm not sure. Hold on, guys. Would it give? This isn't even what this video is about. Would it give? I have to do something to this shirt, though. Now, everybody's style is unique and different. What may give on me and what give to me might not give to you. But it's giving like at least an Instagram, little Instagram post at least. A little skit at least. This is giving fit to me. It's giving content. Okay, y'all. I already started off wrong because I done put a whole little shebang together. And I'm supposed to be showing you how I failed at being creative genius. And it's not working. It's just not working. It's not working. Okay, so let's try again. Because I'm sorry, this outfit low-key eat. I got to weave this in. I got to find the right shoe in the right circumstance. But fucking with a bitch like me, it's always the right circumstance. Being alive is enough. I would go to Whole Foods in this. And I don't even shop there. I'll probably just be like, walk through that motherfucker. Because this is kind of cute. The peekaboo booty, I don't know if I mess with. Because, the ass too fat. But, I don't know, though. Because all I got to do is put on a boy short. I'm grown. This eats. I don't give a fuck. Let's see if the objective can be met. Now, okay, this is a top that I thought ate when I made it, but the fact that it just took me so long to just try to detangle in it. Actually, I haven't tried to detangle these parts yet, but like everything was all jumbled up. And I'm like, you know, maybe it doesn't really eat. If this happens, it's not eating. Just try to separate it. I feel like if I would have taken better precautions when I put it in a washer instead of just drunkenly throwing it in the dirty clothes and then leaving it like this for a year, because I only wore it once. So it not eating now is probably more of a failure on my part. Because I guess I just thought that this was, you know, I made it for one occasion and the occasion was over and then that was that. But if it still eats, it still eats. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. I should have got like a brush and brushed it out. That would have freaking helped. That would have been beneficial. Okay. I could have put some conditioner on it. Just kidding. It just needed a little TLC. Let's see if it eat. Let's see if it eat. Sorry if I couldn't hear me well for a second. But I don't know if you can take it. This kind of make me want to make a top with like just the panels. Kind of like have them free flowing. Maybe make it so it's like it's not backless. That'll be cute. This gives me like players is gonna play and ballers that's gonna ball. I don't know words. This kind of go with these. These some busy pants though. Let's see if it eats together. Like a family. Like a family. Snap out of it. Oh, chi wale wale. Oh, she bang bang. You know you really, really eat. This gives color party. I'm sorry guys, but this eats too to me. Because it gives it's very specific. It eats as well. This too eats. It eats. I'm sorry. I didn't think it would. I'm trying to follow the itinerary of the video. I'm trying to expand on my hypothesis. But my Pythagorean theorem is inconsequentially at a magnitude that I could not have perceived personally when I picked my pickled peppers. But yeah, I'm sorry, this eat. A hat. Put one of my hats on with it. I don't know which one because it has to be specific, but I feel like I'm probably gonna feel like everything eat because I made this shit, so I have a inherent bias. Like I don't really think any of it's ugly, especially I like the way my hat cocked to the side. I look like I'm about to. You feel me? It's a bias, definitely. Y'all got to let me know in the comments. Obviously, don't talk about the hat because this is an abomination to this outfit. But let me know if this outfit eat. The first outfit is the pretty in pink. This one is, I'm going to call this Donna Summer for some reason. It's just giving me, what's a Donna Summer song? I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can find something that don't eat. Damn, come on. Thanks for watching the video. Just gonna subscribe. If you're watching it to this point, you may as well subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then are you a hater? Ask yourself that question. Just ask. Just propose it. Okay, guys. I finally have a winner. And I know these don't eat because this was one of the first pairs of pants that I made. And you could just tell, this ain't right. I do remember wearing these and the booty started sagging as the day went on. So I'm gonna try these on. It looks like I used a half double all the way through, but I think my hook was way big on this. I think I used a 6 hook. This is before I really started realizing that gauge matters. Size does matter, guys. No matter what they try to tell you, size matters. Let's try these on and see if they're redeemable in the name of Jesus. I'm sorry, but these eat too, y'all, because I snatched the fuck out these ankles on these pants. Very skinny. These are comparable to the pants I make today. I'm not sure what I did differently. I will wear this with just a straight, I will wear it with this. Hold on. Like, yeah, it's giving sweater weather. It's giving autumn. It's giving fall. It's giving like you about to go to your bae house and just huddle up. Like, you just want to be warm and cute. But it's like, oh, yeah, I make these pants. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm just trying to be comfortable. You know, it's giving like effortless fashion. I think the reason these fit way better than they used to is because I've been doing the squats and hitting the gym. So maybe I'm saying all this to say maybe I already got rid of the ugly stuff. Or maybe I haven't scratched the surface. I'm literally digging through a bin right now, guys. Okay, so bear with me. This video has lost its way. It's lost its plot. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video. We're going to try this again. I'm going to keep crocheting, keep creating, keep building the outfits and things. You know, giving the girls hope. Giving the girls hope. Giving myself hope. And I need you to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do that. One of my children is complaining about something downstairs. And I am also very, 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 very hot. Because it is summertime. Not autumn. So let me take this shit off. And I'm going to let y'all go about y'all business now. You heard me? All right. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Please. Please. She coming. All right, y'all. Bye.
Ho, he eat that lie. He, she, they, one bow. He eat this pussy like gumbo. He like this ass cause it's jumbo. He spending racks, then it go on. He, she, they, one bow.